Good old Tommy. I really like Tommy. His chicken congee was just something that I just wanted to eat immediately. That dish really reminded me of how good those chicken congees were. I just did a cleanup because things was just getting a little bit too hectic at the moment. I really don't know how Tommy did this because there's a lot of things in my mind right now. Cooking the dough, making the congee, making sure the chicken was cooked well, making a salad, and then making a sauce. Like, that's just so many things on my mind right now. This is getting a bit messy. I just thought I'd just do a clean down to clear the mind. And I believe that's what George would say in Masterchef too.
But can I offer you a little bit of chefy advice? Move your bums, come on.
Alright, we're here back again in Test Kitchen. Gonna make chicken congee. Some spring onion. We bought this a while ago. Okay, we can still use it. Cabbage, peanuts, onion, red onion, shallot, garlic, shitload of ginger, and the chicken. The pantry. Flour, yeast, rice, baking powder. Before we start, gotta have some tea. This episode has been brought to you by Cyro. Not really. Today's recipe we're making, and I'm going to really butcher this name. Chow
Chicken congee,
Goi Cha
cabbage, mint, purple onion salad,
with nok manggung sauce.
sweet sticky fish sauce with ginger.
Dao chow kueh.
I've got some yaojiao waves, which
With this recipe, he actually writes 8 chicken drumsticks, but I've seen this show. I know he uses a whole chicken.
today I'm cooking a chicken congee here.
So we're using a whole chicken. You can't lie to me, Tommy. I know your secrets.
What is your secret? Because I can't make it as good as you.
If you cook for many times,
Yeah.
you will have.
With the chicken congee, we're gonna need the chicken, brown onion, some water, the rice, 3 garlic cloves. You know, we'll make it 6. 70 grams worth of ginger, some fish sauce, salt and pepper. And that's for the chicken congee. And then for the dao jiao kueh, flour, yeast, 1 teaspoon's worth of yeast, baking powder, sugar, salt, 1 egg, and vegetable oil. We are going to also make some goi ga. I'm guessing that's the salad. Cabbage, sailed cabbage. A small red onion, really not a small red onion. Some mint, a cup of peanuts, and some chili. And some chilies. 5 shallots I need to thinly slice for the nung mam gung. Water, fish sauce, caster sugar, lemon juice, more chilies, more ginger, and more garlic. I have a lime that's close-ish to a lemon. For some reason, it's never mentioned the spring onions. Oh, I see what I've done. I thought the shallots were spring onions. I don't know why I have spring onions. So first step is to make the stock. So put everything in a, okay, put just chicken. Put the chicken in brown onion, peeled and quarter. So I just need a quarter of this onion. Maybe I'll like loosen it up. 1.5 liters of water, and then cover and boil. Cover and bring to boil. It doesn't actually say how long to cook the chicken. I might just go to my mom's Hainan chicken rice recipe. Where is that recipe? Chinese chicken congee. Ooh, hold on. I am actually looking at Khan's version of chicken congee.
I spoon the congee into bowls for them, give them the salad with the sauce on top.
And he actually puts spring onion in the stock. Oh, okay. Well, let's add some. Looks sad. He looks sad. Just chop that piece off. Put it in a knot. Okay. Maybe put this in a knot. Yeah. Clean this up. That still doesn't answer. Oh wait, maybe transfer the chicken thighs out when you can easily insert a chopstick. Chopstick. Stab. Oh yeah, that's definitely cooked. I think that's cooked. Hard to tell. I'm going to say it's cooked. Oh, he also tastes it. He also tastes his own stock.
Oh, I haven't even seasoned it yet and it tastes good.
Tastes a bit bland. Oh, actually it tastes pretty good now. I reckon it needs some salt. Salt. Soak in clean water and cool down and shred by hand. Cool. To the side. The rice oh, he blends his rice first onto coarse. Yeah, that's not doing anything. This really doesn't look like a lot of rice, does it? That's the rice coarsely blended. Is this really the right amount of rice to put? Let me just look what Khan's written. So he uses a cup's worth of rice. I mean, I could always have more rice. I do like rice. You know, I'm gonna double the rice. Another 100 grams worth of this. 1 cup's worth of rice. The ginger is sliced. Garlic finely chopped. Fry it with the garlic until rice is slightly clear. Oh, and also put the ginger as you're frying it. Transfer the rice into the stock. Cook that for 50 minutes. I think that's good. Let's put that in the stock. And then dao chow gui, 2 cups worth of flour, 1 teaspoon's worth of yeast. I combine all in an electric mixer with a paddle attachment. Baking powder. Ooh, 1, 2-ish. Salt. 1, 2, 3. Butter. Mix on medium for 10 minutes until smooth. Fill large bowl with boiling water and place in a cold oven. Cover dough in oil and large resealable bag. Place in oven. Allow dough to rise for 30 minutes. And knead by hand until soft. Moment of truth. Ooh, it's really soft. I don't know if it's meant to be this soft. Ooh, look at that. Roll dough out about 1 centimeter thick. That looks about 1 centimeter thickness. 10 centimeters wide. I'm not too sure how to make this shape. Oh, I should probably get oil heating up as I roll this. Maybe I chop this in half. Cut dough lengthways into 2 centimeter wide pieces and halfway width. 2 centimeters. Layer 2 pieces of dough on top lengthways. You're meant to put one on top of the other. This is like really sticky. Oh, I'm not sure this is right. Just put this to the side. Alright, let's do a second take this. A bit more flour. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. And you put one on top of the other. I didn't really quite understand this description. It had something to do with chopsticks, but I really didn't get that bit. I think this is when you grab a chopstick and then he says push it in. Lift lengths of layered dough. Alright, let's do a test. Pinch both ends and stretch slightly. Attempt number 1 of this. Stretch it a bit. Fry in hot oil, 200 degrees Celsius, for 3 minutes. And then put it in the oil. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. So cool. Let's take this out now. Woo. This is my first attempt. Let's try the one that we made first. Let's throw in the second one. Okay, that doesn't look right at all. So we know number 1 does not look good at all. Look at this. This is pretty good. You can sort of see the form of it. So I reckon this guy has a pretty good chance of looking good. Oh, it's pretty good. Goiga, he uses a chicken breast, which I'm guessing is just chicken breast that was cooked in the boiled water, shred chicken and combined with other ingredients, which is 3 shallots thinly sliced and fried. Whoa! A quarter of a cabbage thinly sliced. 1 small red onion thinly sliced. A quarter cup of mint sliced. A quarter cup of peanuts lightly crushed. How I crush this. Lightly crushed. For the new mangkung, you basically just mix all the ingredients together. Fish sauce, caster sugar, lemon juice. Bird's eye chili, finely chopped. 35 grams of ginger, finely chopped. And a clove of garlic minced. And that should be how the dish is done. I think it needs more sugar. Okay, you can probably see it's already dark outside. This just took so long and I just had to clean this bench up like 10 times because it was just getting so messy. So far we've done the salad, the dressing for the salad, fried shallots, stew good, the youtiao, I believe this is my best one. Now give this a second fry.
Double fried some Georgia ways for the top of this.
And then we'll serve up. Oh, I also need to sort out my chicken. I'll grab some of the porridge, grab some salad, take that to the side. Got the larger pieces of the youtiao. Dabble it on the side, put the extra crispy bits. Then pick the fried shallots, so sprinkle that on the top. Chicken, of course, chicken. How could I forget? Just over the top. And some of it on the congee. Why not? Present this over the top. Let's taste test. Drizzle this over the top here. Put some of this on the congee. Bit that we really want to try first. This guy. Cheers. It's tasting a bit bland. What happens if I add some fish sauce? I mean, it's pretty good. I think what I did wrong was I probably put too much rice. Is this really the right amount of rice to put? You know, I'm gonna double the rice. And I should have just followed the recipe. I think just adding water really did dilute the flavor. So let's get to the salad now. That's a really good salad. Light, refreshing, zesty. What would Melissa say?
It's rich, it's cohesive, it's deeply savoury, and still yet multi-dimensional in its texture.
Man, this is just so tiring. Would I do this again? Probably not. Well, probably not as one cook, but I would definitely make every one of this again individually. This whole thing was just way too tiring and I just want to sleep now. So hope you enjoyed watching me make this. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again. Oh, wow, these are so big. Wow, my mint does not grow like this.